Tasavvur qiling, korxona boshlig'isiz. Siz bilan turgan nomzod kir kiymada kirib keldim. Uni ishga olgan bo'larmidingiz? Katta ehtimol bilan reaksiya shunaqa bo'lardi. Lekin bugungi darsimiz qahramoni bu introdan shunchaki o'tmaydi, balki sizni kuldirishga ham ulguradi. Darsni oxirigacha ko'ring va ingliz tilini birgalikda Baxt ortidan kinosi orqali oson o'rganamiz. Eslatib o'taman, bugungi dars so'zlarini oson yodlashingiz uchun kartochkalar yasab chiqqanman. Havolani Telegram kanalimda qadab qo'yilgan xabardan olasiz. Endi darsga qaytamiz.
Chris Gardner. How are you? Good morning. Chris Gardner. Chris Gardner. Good to see you again. Chris Gardner, pleasure.
Shu joygacha bo'lgan muloqot, ya'ni Chris Gardner kirdi. Qalaysizlar, aholilar qanday? Ko'rishganimdan xursandman degan ma'nodagi suhbatlar bo'ldi. Faqatgina bitta o'rganadigan so'zimiz bor, bu pleasure edi. Ya'ni u mamnuniyat, mamnun bo'lish, xursand bo'lish. Aytdiki, uchrashganimdan xursandman yoki mamnunman.
I've been sitting out there for the last half hour trying to come up with a story that would explain my being here dressed like this. And I wanted to come up with a story that would demonstrate qualities that I'm sure you all admire here, like earnestness or diligence.
I've been sitting out there for the last half hour trying to come up with a story. Out there, men u yerda o'tirgan edim for the last half hour. Oxirgi 30 minut mobaynida. Try to harakat qilib come up with a story. Aynan mana shu yerda qiziq joy boshlanadi va chunki o'rganadigan birinchi so'zimiz bu come up with. Biron bir narsani o'ylab topmoq, fikrlab o'ylab topmoq. Xo'p, demak, oxirgi 30 minut ichida u yerda o'tirar ekanman. Men hikoya o'ylab topishga harakat qildim. That would explain my being here dressed like this. Explain, tushuntirmoq, dressed like this, bu kabi kiyinib olganligim. Ya'ni bu yerda shunday kiyinib olgan holatimni explain, ya'ni tushuntirib bera oladigan hikoyani o'ylab topishga harakat qilayotgan edim.
Explain my being here dressed like this. And I wanted to come up with
And I wanted to come up with a story that would demonstrate qualities. Xo'p, demonstrate qualities degani bu sifatni demonstratsiyani ko'rsatib beradigan hikoyani o'ylab topishni xohladim.
a story that would demonstrate qualities
That I'm sure you all admire here. Bu yerda o'rganadigan 3 ta so'zimiz bor. Bu admire, ya'ni hurmat qilmoq, qadrlamoq. Earnestness, samimiylik, diligence, qattiq harakat yoki mehnat qilish. Ya'ni aytayotdiki, siz bu yerdagi barchangiz yoqtirgan sifatlar, ya'ni sanoatda qattiq mehnat qilish va samimiylik kabi sifatlarni ko'rsatib bera oladigan hikoyani o'ylab topishga harakat qildim yoki xohladim.
that I'm sure you all admire here, like earnestness or diligence and team playing to something. And I couldn't think of anything. So the truth is, I was arrested for failure to pay parking tickets. Parking tickets? And I ran all the way here from the Polk station, the police station.
Team playing degani bu jamoada harakat qila olish ga to'g'ri keladigan qobiliyat. Hop, team playing something nimadir, and I couldn't think of anything. Think of o'ylab topmoq, xayoliga keltirmoq degan ma'noda ishlatiladi. Bu kontekstimizda ko'proq xayoliga keltirmoq. Hop, aytdiki, bundan oldingi sifatlarni aytdi yoki nimadir jamoada harakat qila olish kabi sifat. And I couldn't think of anything. Hech narsani xayolimga keltira olmadim.
To something. And I couldn't think of anything. So
the truth is, I was arrested for a failure to pay parking tickets. So the truth is, haqiqat shunday qilib, haqiqatni aytsam, rostini aytsam,
truth is, I was
parking tickets, parkovka jarimalari, jarima varaqchalarini to'lay olmaganligim uchun arrested, qo'lga olingan edim. Ya'ni hibsga olingan edim.
arrested for failure to pay parking tickets. Parking tickets? And I ran all the way here
from the Polk station, police station. Va bu yergacha bo'lgan politsiya stansiyasidan bu yergacha bo'lgan masofani yugurib keldim.
From the Polk station, the police station.
What were you doing before you were arrested?
I was painting my apartment.
Is it dry now?
I hope so.
Jay says you're pretty determined.
Oh, he's been waiting outside the front of the building with some 40-pound gizmo for over a month.
What were you doing before you were arrested? Qo'lga olinishingdan oldin nima qilayotgan eding?
Before you were arrested.
I
I was painting my apartment. Men uyimni bo'yayotgan edim.
uh, painting my apartment.
Is it dry now?
Is it dry now? Dry bu quruq degani. Bu hozir quruqmi deyapti.
I
I hope so. Shunday degan umiddaman.
so.
Jay says
Jay says you are pretty determined. Pretty bu yaxshigina yoki anchagina juda. Determined bu biron bir narsaga qattiq bel bog'lagan. Qat'iyatli. Hop, Jay aytibdiki, u qat'iyatli inson debdi. He's been waiting outside the front of the building. Binoimiz qarshisida the front kutib turgan edi.
He's been waiting outside the front of the building with some
40-pound gizmo for over a month. Ya'ni bir oydan ko'proq 40 funt og'irlikdagi gizmo. Bu gizmo qurilma asbob degan ma'noni beradi. Hop, bir oydan oshiqroq, bir oydan beri 40 funt og'irlik bor bo'lgan qurilma bilan binoimizni qarshisida bir oydan beri kutib turgan edi.
he said you're smart
I like to think so.
and you want to learn this business.
Yes, sir. I want to learn this business.
Have you already started learning on your own?
Absolutely.
Jay,
Yes, sir.
how many times have you seen Chris?
No, I don't know. One too many, apparently.
He said you're
U aytdiki, sen aqllisan. Ha, men shunday deb o'ylashni yoqtiraman.
smart
I like to think so.
and you want to learn
Sen bu biznesni o'rganmoqchimisan? Ha, janob, men bu biznesni o'rganmoqchiman.
this business.
Yes, sir. I want to learn this business.
Have you already
Sen allaqachon o'zing mustaqil bu biznesni o'rganishni boshlaganmisan?
started
On your own, mustaqil kimdir o'zi biron bir narsani qilishi.
learning on your own?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, albatta.
Jay,
Yes, sir.
how many
How
times
many times have you seen Chris? Chrisni necha marta ko'rgansan?
have you seen Chris?
No, I don't
One too many apparently. Apparently bu shekilli bo'lsa kerak. Afterdan. Hop, ko'p marta bo'lsa kerak.
know. One too many, apparently.
Does he have a dress
U qachondir bunday kiyinib olgan bo'lganmidi? Ya'ni ko'rgan paytlaring bunday qachondir bunday kiyinib olganmidi?
dressed like this?
No. No.
No, yo'q. Jaket va tie, ya'ni jaket va galstuk.
Jacket and tie.
First in your class? In school? High school?
Yes, sir.
Class.
12. It was a small town.
I'll say.
But I was also first in my radar class in the Navy, and that was a class of 20. Can I say something? I'm the type of person, if you ask me a question and I don't know the answer, I'm going to tell you that I don't know. But I bet you what? I know how to find the answer, and I will find the answer. Is that fair enough?
Chris, what would you say if a guy walked in for an interview without a shirt and I hired him? What would you say?
He must have had on some really nice pants. But I was also
First in your class in school. Bundan keyingi kontekstni tushuntirib berishim uchun bir narsani aytib ketishim kerak. Ya'ni Amerikada shunday baholash tizimi ishlaydiki, ya'ni o'quvchilar olgan bahosiga qarab pozitsiyalarga ega bo'ladi. Sinfda misol uchun qancha yaxshi baho olsa, shuncha yuqori bo'ladi. Gap shu haqida ketyapti. Ya'ni maktabda sinfingda birinchi bo'lgan ekansan, hujjatga qarab ketyapti.
High school?
Yuqori sinfda, demak, sinfingda birinchi bo'lgan ekansan. Ha, janob.
Yes, sir.
How many in the class?
Sinfda nechta bo'lgansizlar? 12 ta bo'lishgan ekan.
12. It was a small town.
It was a small town. Bu kichkina shahar edi.
I'll say.
But I was also first in my radar class in the Navy. Hop, aytayotdiki, radar class in Navy. Bundan keyin keladigan navy so'zi, bundan keyingi gapda keladigan navy so'zi dengiz floti degan ma'noni beradi, degan ma'nosi bor. Xo'p, dengiz flotida o'qigan sinfimda radar class qanaqadir o'sha maxsus sinf bo'lsa kerak. O'sha sinfda ham birinchi bo'lganman demoqchi.
But I was also first in my radar class in the Navy,
Bu sinfda esa endi 20 ta bo'lgan.
and that was a class of 20.
Ya'ni 20 ta o'quvchi bo'lsa kerak.
Can I say something? I'm the type of person.
Can I say something? I'm the type of person. Biron bitta narsa aytsam bo'ladimi? Men shunday turdagi odammanki,
If you ask me a question,
agar siz mendan savol so'rasangiz, men javobni bilmasam, men javobni bilmayman deb aytaman.
and I don't know the answer, I'm going to tell you that I don't know. But I bet you what?
But I bet you what? Bet degani garov o'ynamoq.
I know
Men javobni qanday topish kerakligini bilaman va men javobni topaman.
how to find the answer, and I will find the answer. Is that fair enough?
Fair o'zi adolatli degan ma'noni beradi, lekin bu kontekstda is that fair enough? Bu yetarli bo'ldimi yoki siz uchun ma'qulmi? So'rabdi.
Chris,
What would you say if a guy walked in for an interview without a shirt on? Chris, nima degan bo'larding agar intervyuga bitta odam ko'ylaksiz kirib kelsa va men uni hire. Bundan keyingi gapda keladigan hire so'zi yollamoq, ya'ni ishga olmoq degan ma'noni beradi. Bundan kelib chiqyaptiki, tabiiy tarjimasi Chris nima deb o'ylagan bo'larding va intervyuga futbolkasiz kirib kelgan odamni ishga olsam.
you say if a guy walked in for an interview
O'zi shirt, ko'ylak degani aynan futbolka degani emas.
without a shirt? And I hired him. What would you say?
He must have had on.
He must have had on some really nice pants. Aytadiki, demak unda o'tgan bo'lsa, ishga olgan bo'lsa, demak shortiga chotki bo'lgan ekanda.
E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Agar dars sizga yoqqan bo'lsa, kanalga obuna bo'lib, like bosishni unutmang. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha.